Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. In this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about wooden matches. Now, wooden matches are great. They come in two different types. Strike on box or strike anywhere. And the strike on box ones also come in different sizes. They come in the same size as the strike anywhere matches, but then they come in 6-inch, 9-inch, 12-inch. They come, for reaching in, lighting, the fireplace, wood burning stoves. Stick the match in and light the pilot on your water heater. Those are good matches to have, and those are the reasons why you should have those matches. Well, yes, they have the propane lighters with the long thing on them now, but are you always going to have those propane lighters? Do you have refills for them? But wooden matches are something that's store easy. You don't have to worry about them, bleeding off the propane in them. You get the box of them. You put it in a Ziploc bag, or if you get the longer one, just wrap it with some Saran wrap so it's moisture tight. Keep it in a cool place. They'll last forever. All right. So before I take off, I'm going to put a link to a video up here you should be interested in. I'm going to put a link down here to other prepping concerns. I'll put a video over here, and I'll put the link to my gardening and homesteading channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, right up here. Take care.